Hi folks, Herb Gingle with RV Intelligence. Recently we've just released our Smart RVcontrols, amazing new remote control products for the RV industry. They work from your smartphones. Well, some people said, hey, I don't know how to install things with electrical connections and crimps. And we said, we want to help people who don't know how to do electrical work. So we've created the 1-minute, 1 screwdriver install for our Smart RVcontrols so anyone can upgrade their trailer today to have Bluetooth remote controls on their slides, awnings, and jack in just 1 minute with 1 screwdriver using our new Pigtail Adapter. Let me show you how this works. First, take your existing switch out of the wall. You can see right behind the switch is the Pigtail Adapter. Unplug your current switch. Take our Smart RV control module and our Pigtail Adapter, plug the red wire into 12-volt tab, the black wire into the ground tab, and the orange and brown wires into our output tabs. That's all that's needed. Now, you take the monoblock adapter, or the Pigtail Adapter, and you plug it right in. And you can see our Smart RV control is already powered up. We take it then, and we push it into the wall, replace the screws, and you are completely ready to control your Smart RV controls from your smartphone and automate your trailer in 1 minute with 1 screwdriver. Come get your Pigtail Adapter today when you buy your Smart RVcontrols and enjoy the freedom of wireless remote controls of all your RV features. Herb Gingold, RV Intelligence. Thank you very much.